friends, let's learn why and what kids use for morning routine. Toothbrush. They are used to clean teeth, gum and the tongue, thus preventing cavities and gum disease. Toothpaste. They are used to clean teeth by removing food particles for hygiene. Soap. Used for cleaning dirt, oil and bacteria from the skin. Water. Drinking water helps to support health like digestion and nutrient absorption. Towel. Used for drying and absorbing moisture from body. Bath. A bath is taken for a variety of reasons, like personal hygiene, removing dirt. Comb. Children comb hair to promote scalp health and stimulate natural oil disturbance. Mirror. It is used for personal grooming. Cloth. We wear clothes for physical protection from sun, cold, and insects. Shoe. It is used to protect our feet from injury, dirt, and sharp objects. That was all about today. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.